welcome to Boomin' Bigs TV. In today's video, I'm sharing with you another vegan plant-based camp food video. This is volume 2. You may have seen the previous video where I showed you guys everything Biggs and I brought on our very first camping trip that were vegan and plant-based options. So we are going camping again tomorrow, and we decided to bring a whole lot less food than the first time. We did know we were overpacking the first time. We just wanted a lot of options. So this time we're bringing a lot less food and different stuff. So I wanted to show you guys everything we're bringing. We're only staying 2 nights, so I have 2 different dinner meals here. And they both consist of potatoes as the staple food. So the first meal is going to be these little potatoes, peppers, and these Morningstar plant-based chicken strips. And we're going to be making kebabs with these. So these are actually only 3.5 grams of fat for 12 strips, which is fairly low for some of these plant-based meat alternative options. Sometimes they can be pretty high in fat, so we don't always eat these processed food options, but when we do, we try to choose the lower fat ones. So Biggs is actually going to be making the kebabs tonight so that they are ready to just throw on the fire tomorrow. This tofurkey plant-based lunch meat alternative, Biggs grabbed to make himself a few sandwiches for the second day where we will be at another park and just walking around. I am not going to be having the sandwiches. I actually just brought some fruit and snacks for myself for the day. For the second night, we will be using these ingredients to make a really simple soup. So we're using a bag of small yellow potatoes, some carrots, a can of organic corn, a can of organic 3 beans, and some Better Than Bouillon organic. We did buy a pot to put on top of the grill, on top of the fire, but it's in the truck right now, so I can't show you, so I will show you later in the video. So those are the 2 dinners for the 2 nights that we will be preparing right at the campsite on top of the fire. And everything else we're pretty much just eating for breakfast and snacks and throughout the day whenever we get hungry or feel like something. I typically go for fruit in the morning, so I'm bringing a lot of mandarin oranges, pears, and apples. And then we have a few snacks, so some rice cakes. These are the London Berg Farms Thin Stackers Red Rice and Quinoa rice cakes. They are made with brown rice, red rice, and quinoa, and they do have 1 gram of fat, but it is not from oil, it is from the grains. And these are gluten-free, 100% whole grain. I also have a couple crunchy rice rollers. These are organic and caramel sea salt flavor. And then Biggs likes these Nature's Bakery fig bars, which you guys saw in the last video. And I like these That's It fruit bars because there's literally just the 2 ingredients. I usually like to get the apple and cherry flavor, but all they had was apple and blueberry. We're also bringing a bag of Dandy's vegan marshmallows, vanilla flavored. Last time you may have seen that we brought the marshmallows, graham crackers, and chocolate to make s'mores. Neither one of us really like s'mores. We just made them on the last trip because Biggs had never made them before and I hadn't had them since I was a child. So this time we're bringing just the marshmallows. And for drinks, we have 2 giant thermoses of water, a couple coffees, and a couple sodas. So again, we are bringing a lot less food than we did last time, and it still might be more than we need, but I just wanted to show you guys everything we're bringing. Here are the ingredients for the kebabs, which have been pre-cooked. The potatoes were boiled, and the peppers and meat alternative were cooked in a frying pan with water.
We went ahead and built the kebabs so it would make it a lot easier for us at the campsite. Here's what they look like. Aren't they so adorable? Next, we decided to roll each one in foil to make it even simpler, where we can just put it right on top of the grill on the fire. We put them in the refrigerator overnight and transported them to the campsite just like this. They turned out so delicious. They were so easy and honestly the perfect meal that we could have thought of for this camping trip. We enjoyed these so much that I'm considering making a separate video just showcasing the recipe to these kebabs.
So this is the pot that we got, the Ozark Trail 5-quart cast iron Dutch oven.
And here's what our soup looked like. It was really simple, but still really yummy and healthy.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video and maybe got some ideas of plant-based options you could bring camping. Thank you guys so much for watching.